Timeless Hymns and Worship. Hello, this is Marian Maheti, your host on this epic episode of Timeless Hymns and Worship. As you can see, I'm still in bed. I'm still enjoying the relaxation of the time. So, we are about to embark on a journey of the remembrance of Jesus Christ's birth, which is Christmas. So, it's been a long It has been a long time before since I posted videos online, but I just wanted to tell you that I am still here and I'm still going to shoot more videos. Uh, I have managed to buy a tripod. It arrived a few days ago. My vlogging kit is here, so good things are yet to come. We are still going to enjoy our time together. I'm still waiting for my transferring. In fact, I'm still waiting for the transfer of files from my SD card into the computer to finish. I'm going to use my old SD card because I cannot afford to buy a bigger one. So stay tuned because you are going to enjoy this epic topic of Christmas. So if you like timeless hymns and worship, make sure that you give us a thumbs up, man. Like this video. Until next time. Bye bye.